Hi, I'm Stacy with electronicadventure.com, and if you're in the market for a new Viore remote control, you've definitely come to the right place. It's in stock and it's shipping today, so if you need this remote, go ahead and purchase it today. We're offering a coupon code REMOTE5 at your checkout. REMOTE5 will take $5 off your order. You know, we've been in business for over 20 years, and we stock over 300,000 new original remote controls. They're not used and they're not refurbished. And what's great when you get your new remote control, there's no coding or programming necessary. They're already programmed for you. All you have to do is put fresh batteries in the remote. So feel confident shopping with us each time with us, because we're committed to shipping it out within 48 hours. So in stock, shipping today, this new Viore remote control. If you're not completely satisfied when you get your remote, don't worry. We offer you a no questions asked return policy. That means any point within 30 days, just send it back. So go ahead and buy your new remote. Don't forget the coupon code. It'll take $5 off. Click the link below to purchase your remote control online. Call us toll free if you'd rather do that. One of our operators will be there to assist you. Thanks for watching our video today. Thanks for shopping with us.